All of these images have been created by a free AI tool. Hello there, and welcome back to our channel. In this quick video, I am going to introduce you a new image generating AI tool. This tool contains a free plan also, so you guys can use it for free. I know that there are dozens of image generating AI tools, but tools like Midjourney, Dall-e, and Lexica are paid. On the other hand, tools like Leonardo and PicFinder can result in faulty images. But this tool provides amazing result like premium AI tools. So, without wasting any time, let's start our video. But before we dive into the details of this incredible innovation, be sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, so you never miss any updates from our channel. So, the name of this tool is Getimg.ai. The link is in the description. Here you guys just have to scroll down and click on Get Started for free. Once you have signed up, click on this icon. Now, click on Text to Image. In this box, you guys will add the basic prompt like all the AI tools. The more detailed your prompt be, the more beautiful your image will be. There are also a bunch of different modes, you guys can choose whatever you like. Let's say I choose this one. I will write a simple prompt. In negative prompt, you have to add those things you don't want in your images. If you scroll down a little bit, here if you click on resolution, you guys can choose the dimension of your images. If you click on advance, you can choose it manually by using these sliders. In generation parameters, you guys can choose the number of images. Now, I will just click on generate. It will generate images in a few seconds. Here you guys can see how beautiful and realistic these images are. If I change the mode of this image and hit generate, it will bring new innovation to the image. You guys can download this image by clicking on this icon. Now if I click on AI Editor, it will bring it to a new tab. Here if I click on Edit, here you guys can add things according to your need. You just have to type your prompt here, and it will generate it for you. It can act as an alternative of Adobe Firefly. I know that the editor is not much good, but the images are stunning. That's all for today's video. I hope you like my video, and thanks for subscribing to my channel.